we are going to play like this. So we will talk for 20 seconds, and in the end of the 20 seconds, we will give an object name. The next person should pick that object, and they have to pretend that they are that object, and they have to speak. Okay? So you have to think like, for example, I am going to talk about paint. So, hi all, I am paint, and I used to create colorful life in canvas. I am also like a creator, and I make beautiful paintings, and with the help of canvas I create many beautiful things. So canvas is my second word, I mean last word. So someone has to pick up the canvas word and have to speak it. So I will pick up the speakers. So the last word is canvas. So the first speaker is DTM Sundaraman sir.
Yeah, canvas is part of painting, but since I am a canvas master, since I am conducting canvas mastery workshop, so I am reminded of a Canva tool, so through which you will be able to create amazing, powerful slide decks and any other collateral like flyers kind of stuff. So today, Canva is a part, integral part of my life. For last 6 months, I conduct several workshops on Canva mastery. So Canva can be used in general for drawing your paintings. So whether it is watercolor or acrylic paint, but finally at the end you are going to delight the audience. So where is my timer? So is 20 minutes got over or not? Should I continue?
Okay, next Shankar Narayanan. What is the word, sir? Sundaram sir.
PowerPoint.
Shankar Narayanan. Okay, we'll go to TM Shiva, CTC. Can you all unmute yourself, please?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, very much.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I am driving. Okay. Would you like to pass on to someone else?
Okay, okay. TM Muthu.
Can you repeat the word which I have talked?
PowerPoint. Let us start from PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. Yeah. Good morning to everyone. About PowerPoint. PowerPoint is one of the key skills which we have to use in our corporate life. We have to learn a PowerPoint, how to present whatever it's in your mind, you have to project to the people. So in the way, like we have to show in whatever in our minds to the people and to make them understand in a method.
Pradeep?
Yeah. Hello?
Okay, it's 20
Yes, thank you.
seconds.
Yeah.
What is the object name? Can you give an object name? Okay, start with pen. Pradeep, you can start with pen.
So, good morning, everyone. Pen. So, pen is very simple, which we use in our day-to-day life for just for writing or making notes of it. Even today, I do have my pen taking note of this, whatever happened during this meeting. So that we can remember whatever happens and make note of it and useful for our life. And I do it in daily life, and I do recommend everyone to have a pen wherever you travel, because not all the time we can make notes of on our mobile. Mobile.
Priya Ganesh.
Hi, good morning, one and all present over here. So I'm a mobile. I'm the person who controls the world right now. I'm the person who supports everyone right now. During this lockdown, many people use me. I'm very informative to everyone. Even now, some of you are using me to get connected to Meraki meeting. So I'm always a useful person to in every ways possible. You know, if you want to be like me, be actors immobile. That gives you so much of time to
Medium
spend with
Badri,
everyone. Time is a word.
Badri,
Was that me?
yeah.
Yeah, Badri from Meraki.
Okay. Time. I'm the one who always flows backward, forwards, never backwards. Always look forward and never look backwards and waste time thinking over the spilt milk. So it's always good to look forward, enjoy what is there in front of us, and never waste time looking back on what we have missed. That's time.
Kripa,
Spilt milk. It's milk.
Kripa. Okay, Pupa,
Hi, all. Good morning. I didn't get the word properly, so I'm going to talk about Zoom. Zoom is one. I'm Zoom today. Without me, no one is living. It is like essential part of our life. Whether it is a family meet or office meet or whatever it is, friends meet. Without me, there is no connectivity between people. So I think we should have the Nokia tagline connecting people to Zoom now. Sometimes I think.
What did you call me?
Okay,
Yes.
Srita, you can go.
Yes, what was
Puta, then what is the word?
Phone.
I think it's already done. Priya has already talked about mobile. Okay, so I am phone, and today the same applies to Zoom. We are all connecting. You're all connecting because of me, and we are not. You will not be able to live without me, and that's the truth, not an exaggeration. Initially, I was started to connect between people, only to talk to each other. But now they started using me for.
BPM Aarti.
What is my object, Jayanti?
Okay, you can go ahead with printer.
Printer.
Yeah.
See, all said and done, words are something in the air which will be lost. The only way we'll be able to remember what we've said is if we have it in black and white. Whether you're buying a land or you're buying a product, the bill, the proof that you have made that purchase is what's important, and you will not get that proof without me. I am not just in black and white, but I bring color to all your purchases and make life more interesting.
Vignesh Kumar.
Yes. What is my object?
Aarti, what is the object?
I ended with makes life more interesting. So there was no object there.
Interesting object.
Okay, you can pick shirt.
Shirt. I'm the most important one. Everyone, instead of me using some t-shirts or some other dresses also, but using the shirt will give you a professional look and will give a nice people also. You will be a executive. You will be a you look like a professor. You will be look like a manager. So with the help of shirt, you will be a professional people.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is the end of our round robin session. Back to TM Modi's Jayanti and Prashant.
Priyatam, did you notice this is actually to wake up? I was like wondering why Jayanti herself is sleeping like this. She could have set the stage as to who is going to give the object. But look at Bhutatan. This is the advantage of an online. That is already a prepared speech on Zoom, man. So don't worry. That is a table topic for him. So whatever comes, he's going to say, hey, I'm not able to hear what that object was. And go ahead as what he has prepared. So be smart, Toastmaster, rather than a good speaker in Toastmaster. That's what demands now. Now we have in our session the grammarian DTM Bala here. Just a small introduction about Bala, a firm believer in consistency. He calls himself as Dinachara. I don't know what the meaning of it, but he likes to be called himself in that way. He's a past area director and a recent achiever of DTM, a very passionate Toastmaster, I would say. He's a dual member. He's also a passionate family man. That was reflecting in all his project speeches. So he's going to introduce now the word of the day. Over to you, DTM Bala.
Happy morning, everyone here. Congratulations for this joint meeting.